A calculator display shows that the square root of 2 equals 1.4142135562. Because 1.4142135562 equals 1,414,213,562 over 1 billion, this suggests that the square root of 2 is a rational number, which contradicts Theorem 4.8.1. Explain the discrepancy. So Theorem 4.8.1 says that the square root of 2 is an irrational number. So something must have gone wrong here. The discrepancy is that the calculator rounds the last digit. This number 2 here is rounded. So when you see a number like this on your calculator, you should know that you're not getting the full number. You're getting a rounded version of that number. So yes, it's true that this number specifically equals this fraction, which suggests that this number is a rational number. And it is. This number 1.4142135562 is a rational number precisely because it is the ratio of these two integers. The problem here is that this number right here is not the same thing as the square root of 2, even though your calculator shows that the square root of 2 equals this number. The reason is because your calculator is providing a misleading interpretation of the square root of 2. This number is a rational number, but it's rational precisely because the square root of 2 was rounded at the last digit here. This is the billionth place, and the billionth place is rounded on this specific calculator. So that is the discrepancy. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.